Hey LP Nation, thank you for your continued support. This is video number 4. It's a lovely Sunday morning and I'm going to share top tips of how to shoot your videos, especially if you're a beginner and you're shy and socially anxious. This is a problem no one talks about. What if you want to vlog and share your thoughts, but you're afraid or ashamed to shoot your videos in public? So I will share my few tips because now I'm much more open and I don't care if somebody comes by, but I used to be like very shy on shooting videos outside. It was weird because you have to remember I'm in Croatia and it's not common yet to see so many vloggers or YouTubers around shooting videos like it is in the United States or other countries. So basically, but this applies to you if you're in US but you're very shy. And sorry, I have to shoot with my headphones because it's quite windy here, but it's very warm and it's a nice morning, at least for me. So thank you again for your continued support. We're over 23 subs and more than 400 views in like 3 days, maybe a little bit more, but this is beyond my expectations. So thank you. Let's dig into it. So a short intro for those who don't know me. I'm Luka. I'm based in Zagreb, Croatia. I'm a 2D animator, video editor and graphic designer with more than 5 years of experience. I'm an experienced freelancer. I did gigs for clients all over the world, hundreds of gigs. I'm also a small business owner. Recently I founded my own creative advertising agency, lpstudio. On this channel I post daily videos. Check out my channel intro to learn more. Here you'll find info tips for freelancers or online hustlers, you'll find tutorials and free goodies for creators and behind the scenes vlogs. But this is a really great channel for everyone that wants to acquire online skills that pay the bills. So let's connect and grow together. So guys, as you can see, like, car is also a viable option. If you own a car, you can like shoot your own personal vlogs or videos while driving, even though I don't recommend it because you should always concentrate on the road and it's a bit noisy in the car. So basically what I'm trying to tell you, if you can get a hold of a car, parked car, so car is really soundproof if you close the windows and doors. So that's for people, for example, who own a car, or for younger folks out there who maybe do not own a car but they have like an older brother, a parent, or someone who would give them like car for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, a parked car, just for recording the footage. Okay, so I'm telling you this because you see me now while driving, okay, and this is not a high quality footage, especially sound wise, but you'll see when I park the car, I'm just making a circle around the neighborhood to prove a point regarding the footage. So basically, if you're a travel vlog or something like that, I don't know, maybe a moving car is a good idea because of the dynamics, but if you're not a confident driver, don't do it. Okay, I'm driving for a long time already, but for folks who are not, who are maybe new drivers or something like that, don't do it. I don't recommend it because you have to concentrate on the traffic, of course. And we're going to a parking spot right now and I will show you the difference. You might be wondering why don't we have the radio turned on. It's because of copyright. That's another point. When you're shooting a video, be 100% sure about background noise. I know it's silly, but it can happen. If you're shooting a video and you, for example, something is playing in the background, you might get a copyright strike or at least a video that is not suitable for monetization. It's your video, you did everything, like everything right, and I don't know, you're in a bar, a shopping center or something, and I don't know, a famous song is playing and you cannot monetize the video because the background music. So that's another point to think about. Okay, these are my guys from the hood. Okay, sorry. Anyway, be mindful. Certainly be mindful about this stuff, because I don't know, it would be a shame if you shot a footage that is awesome somewhere in public and some stupid music track ruined your footage. You would have to re-record it without that track, because it's very, very hard to isolate a voice that is entangled with the music. Even in the Audacity and Audition and software like that. Trust me, I'm a video editor and it's not worth it. It's better to reshoot it, okay? So, guys, be mindful. And now I'm going to turn my car off and let's see the difference. Okay, so everything is turned off. Listen, it's almost totally soundproof. So car is an awesome place, and you can see the driving school circling around me, so you could hear maybe a bit of noise when the car passes by. But basically this is like the car, if you can get a hold of a car, borrow a car, just park. I'm not talking about driving, just park car. Okay, so if you don't have a car, I will show you another spot that you can shoot a really good video. Another location is if you live in those like big apartment buildings with lots of floors, and then you can record your videos on stairs between the floors, because people mostly use elevators. That way you will get like a lot of privacy. Trust me, this is a great location. Hey guys, I'm just showing you this so you can see that you can shoot your videos from anywhere. If you have a smartphone, you can do it literally from anywhere. So you see, this is the top of the world, Zagreb, Croatia. Don't be shy, just start. Don't postpone your videos, don't postpone your creative minds. Or you can shoot the videos while on the move, especially if you're a vlogger. Okay, I'm not strictly a vlogger, I'm doing educational content, but if you're a vlogger, good for you, you have a lot of options. So this was short but sweet. I hope that you will use at least one location. There is no excuse not to begin. And if you have ideas for additional locations which would help me and you, feel free to comment down below. Thank you. You were in another episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. Thank you, my LP Nation. As always, it was your guy, LP. 'Cause I'm not your